Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dash cams in 2019. Finding the best dash cam may be confusing because there are so many options and you just don't know which will be the best for you. So I made this list from my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've included different options for every type of buyer. As always, all the links to the products mentioned in the video will be in the description box down below, and we update the links in the description for the best prices. Like the video, and comment which one is your favorite dash cam, and I'll be sure to respond to every one. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's get started. In 5th place, we have the Yi Smart Dash Cam. This is our pick for the best budget dash cam. The Yi Smart Dash Cam packs a large amount of technology into tiny shells. With its relatively sharp video, a wide viewing angle, and a large display screen. It is available at around $50. It has a huge field of view at 165 degrees, so it can monitor the surrounding area and even warn the driver if the vehicle is straying out of its lane. It also has forward collision warning sounds if the device senses an impending impact with the vehicle ahead. This is all part of the Advanced Driver Assistance System package, which works in conjunction with G-sensor technology, and it allows the camera to automatically record and save clips in an emergency situation. It has 1080p video quality with impressive all-glass and high-resolution lens, so video recorded in low-light situations is clear. Some of the pros for this product include safety features. This is thanks to the Advanced Driver Assistance package and G-sensor technology. Built-in Wi-Fi. It has built-in Wi-Fi for quick uploading of clips to a smartphone. Good video quality. It has 1080p with impressive all-glass and high-resolution lens, so video recorded in low-light situations is clear. A con for this product is the lack of built-in GPS. However, this is still a commendable unit at an affordable price. Overall, the Yi Smart Dash Cam is a great dash cam due to its safety features, built-in Wi-Fi, and good video quality. If you are looking for the best budget dash cam, then the Yi Smart Dash Cam is the best option for you. In 4th place, we have the Aukey DR02. This is our pick for the best value dash cam. For a relatively reasonable price, the Aukey DR02 provides a high-definition front-facing camera with a wide viewing angle. It is priced at around $90. The dash cam has a great video quality at 1080p resolution. It also has a 170-degree field of view. Possibly the best thing about this is its incredibly small profile. Its largest dimension is just 2.2 inches. This makes it a low-profile stealth dash cam. It has emergency recording mode that is activated by built-in gravity sensor, so it automatically captures accidents. Some of the pros for this product include great video quality. The dash cam has a great video quality at 1080p resolution. Slim and discreet profile. It has an incredibly small profile with its largest dimension at just 2.2 inches, making it a low-profile stealth dash cam. Affordable. It has great value because it has so much to offer at a low price. A con for this product is no built-in Wi-Fi. You'll have to remove the camera's SD card and plug it into a computer in order to share or save its footage. However, most people will only be pulling footage off the camera occasionally. Overall, the Aukey DR02 is a spectacular dash cam with its great video quality, slim and discreet profile, and affordable price. If you want the best value dash cam, then the Aukey DR02 is the best option for you. In 3rd place, we have the Garmin Dash Cam 55. This is our pick for the best mid-range dash cam. Garmin has applied its knowledge of action cameras and fitness trackers to the world of dash cams, and its mid-range Dash Cam 55 model offers sharp imagery, attractive design, and enough additional features to make it one of the best. It is available at around $160. It records 1440p video capture at 30p, so the video footage for a dash cam is great. It has a 122-degree viewing angle. A nice feature is an attachable polarizing filter to cut out unwanted glare from your car's windscreen. It has automatic incident detection technology, which stores vital clips automatically, and thanks to the built-in GPS unit, all footage is stamped with time and location, so there's no disputing when and where an incident happens. Chuck and voice control, smartphone integration, drive awareness warnings, and the neat little travel lapse feature, and the Garmin Dash Cam 55 is one great camera. Some of the pros for this product include attractive design. It has a compact body that resembles an action cam-like design. Excellent video quality. It records 1440p video capture at 30p. Great features. It includes voice control, smartphone integration, drive awareness warnings, travel lapse, and more. A con for this product is the menu system. It is controlled by 4 buttons on the side and would be much better if it were touchscreen. Overall, the Garmin Dash Cam 55 is a fantastic dash cam due to its attractive design, excellent video quality, and great features. If you are looking for the best mid-range dash cam, then the Garmin Dash Cam 55 is the best option for you. In second place, we have the Thinkware F800 Pro. This is our pick for the best high-end dash cam. With its premium design, video quality, and features, there is no doubt that the Thinkware F800 Pro is a high-end dash cam. It is priced around $380. This dash cam is designed to be perfectly fitted to your car. It's designed to fit snugly up against the top of your windscreen, behind the rear view mirror, and neatly out of the way. It has 1080p video quality, as well as an integrated GPS. There's also an enhanced night vision setting to improve low-light videos, speed camera alerts, and the option to fit a rear-facing camera too. Some of the pros for this product include great design. It's designed to fit snugly up against the top of your windscreen, behind the rear view mirror, and neatly out of the way. Enhanced night vision. This setting improves low-light videos to capture incidents clearly at night. Premium features. It can be hardwired to your car's battery, speed camera alerts, the option for a rear-facing camera, built-in Wi-Fi, and more. A con for this product is no display. There's no touchscreen. However, Wi-Fi means you can connect the camera to your smartphone to view recordings and alter the settings. Overall, the Thinkware F800 Pro is an excellent dash cam with its great design, enhanced night vision, and premium features. If you want the best high-end dash cam, then the Thinkware F800 Pro is the best option for you. And coming in first place, we have the Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual. This is our pick for the best overall dash cam. The Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual offers almost every feature you could want from a dash cam. It is available at around $200. The front-facing camera can record in crystal clear 2.5K with a wide 170-degree field of view. The secondary cabin-facing camera records in 1080p HD with a 140-degree field of view, and this camera also has a microphone. The addition of this second interior camera is perfect for rideshare drivers. On top of this great video quality and nearly 360-degree coverage, the rear-facing camera has infrared night vision with Sony sensors, so even in complete darkness, it can capture usable images. It also has 24 hours parking mode and auto LCD off, and looping recording and G-sensor along with optional GPS. Some of the pros for this product include high video quality. The front-facing camera can record in crystal clear 2.5K with a wide 170-degree field of view. Second interior-facing camera. The secondary cabin-facing camera records in 1080p HD with a 140-degree field of view. Additional features. It also has 24 hours parking mode and auto LCD off, and looping recording and G-sensor along with optional GPS. A con for this product is it's relatively bulky. The unit itself is also a bit on the bulky side. However, this is better compared to other two-camera models that have separate units. Overall, the Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual is the best dash cam due to its high video quality, second interior-facing camera, and additional. If you are looking for the best overall dash cam, then the Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual is the best option for you. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.